So let's take a look at gold. Now let's check the RSI. I'm currently looking on the 1 hour chart. Let's add the MACD as well. And let's change. Let's leave it. Let's make it like that. So currently we are trading way above the 20 EMA. What was that? May 7th. So we've been on a bullish trend since Friday, while at the same time the RSI has been going lower, as well as the MACD, which means we have here a divergence. So if we manage to stay above these levels, let me get a little lower. If we stay above the 20 EMA as well as the support line here, we will go higher from here and maybe go towards 1850. But if we look at the daily chart, the RSI is pretty high, so currently we are forming kind of a bullish candlestick, so we might see a pullback down towards here. So for the trade for the next couple of minutes, hours, whatever, I would try to look for a bullish sign here on smaller time frames. Let's check the 45-minute chart. Nothing major happening here. Nothing major happening here either. Where are we right now? 5-minute chart. Well, here on the 5-minute chart, we let's change that real quick. Let's make it a red one. 200. So on the 5-minute chart, we are staying trading above the 200 EMA, and the RSI is pretty low at the moment. We might still go lower and hit the 200 EMA and roughly the support line, and then go higher from here, which kinda at this moment could be a trade. If we wait a couple of minutes longer, we could enter here. Let's set up a buy strategy. Our target is 1850, or maybe the previous highs of 80.42. What was it? Target 1850. By 18.430, somewhere around here. But 18.30. Stop loss. Let's go on the hourly chart. Let's edit this one again. Target 1850 Stop loss would be somewhere around here. Target 1850. Something like that. So you would have a 3.4 risk reward ratio. If you want to enter the trade right now, I would still wait for kind of a bullish confirmation to see if it works out. Well, let's make this smaller. Buy entry target. Let's put a stop loss at around what is it? 1824 maybe. 1824. So now if you go on just smaller time frames, let's check the other side again. So it currently on the 50-minute chart is well trying to turn around. So let's check the 1-minute chart. So currently we are still above the support line and the triangle line, which means we still haven't. Here is the triangle line. Here is the first support line. The second one is more or less the stop loss, so we don't have to worry that much about it. But 5-minute, yeah. Look at the 5-minute chart. The RSI turned around now, so it could mean that we will go and jump higher from right here. So if you want to be a buyer, I would try to buy it right now, or maybe wait for a little further pullback. Although the current momentum is pretty strong, which means we could go and break out of the 39 levels that we reached earlier. So you can still wait and maybe we will pull back again and stay somewhere here, but well, anyway, this is the setup for the next minutes, hours that I would take, but currently it looks like we will go up from here. The RSI on the 50-minute chart turned around as well, but if you have time to stay in front of the screen all day and look what happens, then this is something that you could set up in the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, hour, 2 hours. I don't know when it will happen. But what's the 3-minute chart saying? Well, we're trying to break the next resistance line, but the RSI is still in the middle, so we could go much higher from here. Let's check the minute chart. Yeah, the minute chart we are pulling back, but we are above the 200 EMA. The 20 EMA is okay. Now we pull back, so not really, because the 20 EMA looks bullish as well at the moment. But like I said, since I don't want to spend too much time on gold, if you want to set it up, this would be your current option. I mean, the other option would be to short it, but this would be like the hourly trade or the minute trade. I don't know what you're doing if you're sitting in front of the screen. This would be your next option. If you want to day trade on a daily basis, then I would probably wait, because currently the RSI is pretty high but still hasn't reached its limits. The candlestick on the daily is currently very bearish, so if you want to trade maybe a little bit of a riskier move, or well, maybe it's not that risky, but it could turn out to be completely wrong, or could need much longer time if you don't want to wait that long. So entry would be stop loss 8. So then I would wait to reach maybe 1850. Stop loss, let's make it 80.60, and target, well, let's make it 18.10, 18.20. What is 18.20? 18.20 is still a good risk reward ratio. It's 2.5. So if you wanna, I mean, you can also target 1800, 1810. I don't know. That's something you will have to check out when the time comes. But let's make 1820 because that was a previous resistance area, and we kind of spent some time there. So this would be your next short position. Let's change this one. Stop loss 80, 1860. Target 1820. Buy. No, it was a short at 1850. So this would be another option for you if you're willing to wait the market reaches all those levels that I mentioned. So anyway, this was the setup for gold for the next couple of hours.